Hello everyone, this is Sukhvinder Purewal. In this today video, we will learn how to repair a AC drive. As you can see, uh, this is a Delta make C200 series VFD. So uh, this drive have a fault. So due to some reasons, uh, this drive does not work properly. This drive was installed on a CNC machine, and a spindle motor is connected with this drive. So uh, according to the customer, uh, this drive not working fully. So today we will learn and diagnose this AC drive and check where is the fault. So at initial, I I guess or I consider you already know about AC drive. So so if you already know the is about AC drive, it's okay. Otherwise we will learn about some basics about AC drive. So give me your response in comment section. If you want to learn AC drive in basics, so I will capture some other videos from it is core and fundamental basics, and I will consider you need the more basic details about the AC drives. Okay, so further, if we go to diagnose this drive, uh, I will let you know some basics about this drive. So as you can see, there are a input section area and output section area. You can see here power or RST. So R, L1, S, L2 and T, L3. It means three-phase incoming sides are connected here, and the other three pins are directly connected to the motor. So first of all, we will check the input specifications. As you can see here, this is delta model and the input is three-phase 380 to 480 volts. Okay, so this is three-phase AC drive. Some drives comes in 220 three-phase AC. This is 380 to 480 input drive. Okay, so to run or to check this drive, we must connected our connected this drive to three-phase supply, 440 volt supply. So later we will check the output. So I will I will open this drive. Please hold a minute.